Hi friends, welcome to English Gyan. In this video, we'll try to improve your spoken English. Friends, spoken English is the spontaneous expression of your thoughts or your ideas. Whenever you want to convey your thought or certain ideas in verbal form, it's called spoken English, which is absolutely different from written English. So to improve your spoken English, I am going to give you a situations where there is expectations, there is duty, and there is responsibility. So without using the word expectations, duty, and responsibility, how can we express the thoughts on these words? There is a beautiful word in English. It is called supposed to, which is there on your screen. Have a look. Supposed to. So today, our topic for today is how to use supposed to while communicating in English. Friends, I have already mentioned that whenever there is expectations, there is duty, and there is responsibility, we can use supposed to. So whenever something is expected, or it's a duty or your responsibility, you can use supposed to. So once I'll give you a few examples, you can understand this particular phrase better. So let's take the example of expectations. Suppose you are traveling by train and you are waiting at the railway stations. Your train is expected to reach or arrive at the station at 6 a.m. You can say that the train is supposed to arrive at 10 a.m. or 6 a.m. as per the timing, because something is expected. And second example I'd like to give, suppose you are a team leader. It is expected from you, you have to lead your team in a positive way. So you can say, using supposed to, as the leader, you are supposed to guide your team. So whenever there is a degree of expectations, you can use supposed to. Now come to the duty part. Suppose you are an employee of an organization. As you are doing duty there, you have been paid for that. You must arrive on time or in time to the office. So if you want to use supposed to, you can say you are supposed to be present in the office at 10 a.m. I mean to say that as an employee, it's your duty to report to your manager on time or in time. So that's why you can use supposed to. Now take the example of responsibility. Friends, it is your responsibility to take care of your old parents. So whenever you want to use supposed to, you can say you are supposed to take care of your old parents. Very interesting, right? So without using the word expectations, duty, and responsibility, you can use supposed to. You are supposed to be present at here. As an employee, you are supposed to be present in the office at 10 a.m. You are not supposed to make noise in a meeting, means it is not expected from you. So there are tons of examples you can use or you can give as far as supposed to is concerned. And another things I would like to inform you that supposed to is always used with be verb. I mean is, was, were. These are the be verbs. So it is used with the be verbs. So friends, I am sure you have understood the situation where you can use supposed to, a very powerful word you can use to make your spoken English very interesting. Do you want to learn many words like this, many phrases like this? Here is the WhatsApp button. Just click on it. Our team will get back to you. In the live sessions, I'll show you how to speak English fluently and confidently. See you in live session.